Hey guys, Adam Cook here from McGrath, and today we're at our latest listing at 13 Meadow Street in Keppel Sands. This recently renovated 3-bedroom, 1-bath home features side access and a shed. Come on in and have a look.
Coastal lifestyle is what you're looking for, 13 Meadow Street in Keppel Sands could be it. If you don't know much about the location, Keppel Sands is situated on the Capricorn coast and has a population of around 500. You're a half an hour drive to Rockhampton or Yeppoon, so you get the best of both worlds whilst living in the relaxed coastal community. If you would like to inspect 13 Meadow Street, please do not hesitate to contact Adam Cook or myself. We would love to show you through.